Today we have Ms. Nishka Ranjan, Managing Partner of Nishka Security and Intelligence Services, which is a manpower service company established in 1997 with headquarters in Bihar and Delhi. They specialize in the field of hospital management, facility management, private security, farm management, and HR. Let's know more about their journey.
So this business was started by my father in 1997, and he's into a lot of social work. And after a point, he decided that he wanted to concentrate his life towards that. So in 2015, me and my mother, both of us got into a partnership firm and we started this work. He established the grounds for this work and we have been taking it forward since 2015.
Great. Perfect. And if we talk about NSIS and what all services and products that you are offering?
So we are a manpower company. So we provide services in the field of housekeeping, specialized housekeeping for hospitals. We do security services. We also do ad hoc services in security. We do farm management. Farm management includes a lot of sub-services wherein we assess the land for our clients. We try to understand what kind of crops can we actually put into the land and how can we manage the revenue. Apart from that, one of the most special products that we have is an electronic ambulance. So these days, because of emissions and a lot of companies looking for environmentally friendly products, electric ambulances solve a lot of issues for especially hospitals. These days there is a requirement of an ambulance even at schools and various kinds of organizations. But especially for hospitals, once you want to do department to department transfer of a patient, it reduces time, it reduces emissions, it's environmentally friendly. You don't have to worry about the fuel costs. The maintenance costs are very, very less. So these, and we have customized options as well. So that is one of the biggest, that is very important for the environment right now. So that is one of the most important products that we do.
Great, perfect. And I would say there are a lot of companies who are into all these services, and why should other companies outsource their work and trust NSIS?
Absolutely. I think in these times, there is competition in every field. Wherever you go, there are hundreds of companies out there. What we can offer is an experience of 23 years, an experience with our multifaceted staff that has seen all kinds of situations and has handled difficult situations with quite ease. Because we entered the market when it was quite new, it was novice. So we got to understand what kind of dynamics and what kind of changes are important once your market changes. For example, handling a hospital housekeeping is not very easy, because if you don't come with experience, you don't even know what kind of materials are used for certain forms of disposals. And if you use different materials, and if you use the wrong materials, in fact, it can cause a lot of issues at the organization. So what we can offer is an experience of close to 2 decades, more than 2 decades. Apart from that, we have different team members from good colleges. They have worked in the field of manpower for at least 7 to 8 years. All of them are dedicated to finding new dynamic solutions to complicated problems. And that's why I think NSIS is going to be a pioneer in this field.
Perfect. I think it's totally great. And if you understand more about NSIS, what all difficulties did you face and how did you overcome that?
Absolutely. These days, I think the most difficult thing is to basically match talent with the kind of employer that they deserve. That could be related to anything. It could be someone who's a skilled worker. It could be related to someone who's looking for a job change. It could be someone who's looking to start somewhere. And one of the most difficult things that we face these days is to find that kind of talent. So we came up with a new analysis system. We developed a behavioral analysis system along with the typical analysis that happens, the basic interview process where you write an exam, you have a written test, you have a one-on-one interview, then you have HR interactions. So we combine that with behavioral analysis as well. So we put the candidates in situations which are going to make them very stressed. And we see how they actually relate to it and how they manage it. How do they respond to such situations? So what happens is that if you brace yourself for the worst situations or for things that are going to make you uncomfortable and you're able to manage it, then certain HR interactions where they ask you what is your biggest weakness or how would you manage what interpersonal conflicts do you think can happen at workplace, all these are actually tested in real life. So this is one of the ways that we hire our talents for different companies and ourselves.
Perfect. And there are a lot of employees and manpower is involved with your business. So how do you make people want to work for you? What do you actually look for in an employee?
So these days, a lot of companies focus on an overall holistic development of their team members because, I think in these times, work-life balance is the most important thing. So the first thing that we offer is a work-life balance, whether it's sick leaves, whether it's ad hoc requests for leaves, whether it's family emergency time, whether it's a paternity leave or a maternity leave. And I know that this is actually quite common in manpower industries, but not in companies of small scale. It's not easy, but we offer that. Apart from that, there are a lot of up-and-coming opportunities with the company, especially when it comes to our sales team, especially when it comes to the business development team. So they have an opportunity to work in different cities. They have an opportunity to go abroad and find opportunities for us. And they also have opportunity to upskill. So we provide them with resources so that they can get their MBAs or they can upskill themselves through various channels. But it obviously depends on the candidate and the kind of career planning that the candidate has done for himself or herself.
Perfect. And lastly, I wanted to understand if you had a piece of advice to someone just starting out, what would it be?
So Sheetal, personally, my mantra has always been that it does not matter where you work. What matters is what you do. A lot of people are driven towards going abroad, finding different horizons for them, or basically sometimes just emulating a lot of people and how their career has been. But I think it's very important to take advantage of certain things that are missing in our society. And I want people to assess them as opportunities. Because when you see that as an opportunity, you have $1 billion startup in your hands. My second really practical piece of advice is that while you're starting up, go with the mindset of an employer and not an employee. If you've worked before, you have to understand, you have to look at the world as an employer. So first get your 5 clients, your first 100 consumers, and only then invest in your piece of furniture and your secretary.
Correct.
Because once you have your revenue, you know what to do with it.
Absolutely. I totally agree on this. And Nishka, it was totally great talking to you, and we have totally have a clarity now of what NSIS is actually doing and what all services that you are offering. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Sheetal. It was an honor. Thank you.